Hey guys, welcome to another video. Now in today's video I'll be doing some analysis of Doge, but I am also at the start right now showing you the current crypto assets that I do have on Kraken.com. So what I would suggest is have many wallets as the first thing. So this is one of my wallets. I hold crypto here on Kraken. I hold crypto on Binance. I hold crypto on Coinbase, and I also have a offline wallet. So it is important to hold crypto in not to have it all centralized unless it is really safe. So if at some time during the next foreseeable future I happen to lose access to my Kraken wallet, like full access, then I could always rely on my other wallets to, you know, sustain some of the loss. Alright, so to kick the video off, the first crypto asset that I'm holding is Bitcoin. Now, I'm doing that for obvious reasons. Bitcoin is the main staple cryptocurrency. It currently holds the highest price point at $47,877.40, and it has the highest ever recorded price point. As you know, as you may or may not know, Bitcoin recently hit 60,000. So, excuse me, there are ATMs that allow you to make transactions with Bitcoin at this point in time. Bitcoin is just the main staple. So anywhere you go, Bitcoin, everybody should have some type of Bitcoin, um, whether a little or a lot. Bitcoin is here to stay, all right, and the price is only going to increase, so it only makes sense. The next crypto I hold is Cardano. Now I made a huge mistake with Cardano. I should have actually gotten in Cardano when it was at 35 cents. So one of my friends brought Cardano to my attention. Actually, he posted it on his story on social media, and he was saying, I messaged him about it, and I was saying, listen, this is a good coin, it's stable, you should get in. And that was at 35 cents sometime last year. And I was hesitant. I was saying, you're probably right, but probably not going to. And he got in at 30. Well, he got in before 35 cents, and it was when it got to 35 cents he had posted it, and I still failed to take advantage of it. And it's actually no $1.21. If I had gotten in back then when he had suggested it, I would be seeing a lot more. I would be seeing far more than what I'm seeing now. All right. And Cardano has real-time use, so I do see the reason why I got in even now this late is because I do see it continuing in a price increase, possibly $5-10 in the next coming years. On the Cardano official website, it says Cardano restores trust to global systems, creating through science a more secure, transparent, and sustainable foundation for individuals to transact and exchange, systems to govern, and enterprises to grow. So essentially, Cardano's primary use is to allow transaction in its native crypto and to enable developers to build secure and scalable applications that are powered from it. All right, so it has real-time, excuse me, it has real-time use. So we can see where Cardano will improve in the future. Now, the third crypto on Kraken is Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin was made as a meme. All right, it wasn't made with any huge background use like Cardano or Siacoin or Siacoin. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but it was not made with any huge background function in mind. It was made as a meme. However, what current persons are trying to do is to get Dogecoin um, turned into a daily use coin. So it would be a daily currency coin, just like a fiat, like how you would get up and you would use US dollars. Like you go to the store, you buy something, and you get your change. Like that is what Dogecoin would be. Minus the change because you would be sending the exact amount. But that is what people are trying to get Dogecoin to be, based on the fact that it had no real background, no back-end development for any other use, which is possible. As we've seen recently ATMs now in the United States and a few other countries like Australia do have ATMs with Bitcoin and Dogecoin. All right, so the ATMs in for Dogecoin have been rolled out inside the United States now. They're about 1,800, and we get to that in a bit. The other crypto is Ethereum. Good crypto to get involved in. It's currently $1,500 per coin. Um, I would say I'm in it well late because I really didn't get into Ethereum very early. I've actually got in, well, it doesn't really matter, but I am currently holding Ethereum. Not a lot though. I do not have a whole coin for Ethereum. It's just partial. It's just like Bitcoin because price is high right now to buy a single coin. Other one, XRP, which is currently stable around this area, 42-cent range. It's not really going much higher than that, and it's not really going much lower than that. And this is based on the issue they've been having with SEC, the lawsuit from the SEC. So they're currently fighting that. So for the meantime, price is going to fluctuate here a bit. Now I do have some ideas on what Ripple could do to possibly get out of that stranglehold, but I'm probably going to leave that for another video. Now, last but not least, on Kraken, we have Sia coin or Sia coin. Not exactly sure of the pronunciation here. Excuse me. But Sia coin, just like Cardano, it has a major use for the future, which could possibly push the price up. So as you can see, price here is not even a cent, which is actually what we're actually seeing right here is actually a pullback, because up until last night, Sia coin was at 1 cent. So this is probably seeing a pullback here before the move up, but I got in really good. I got a lot of Sia coin because of this price range right here. Now, on Sia coin is a cryptocurrency software that allows any computer running it to rent out unused hard drive space to users looking to store files. So it is something like Dropbox, what we're seeing with Dropbox. So it's a competitor in that market. And with it being a competitor in that market, and technology now moving away from hard storage like memory cards in phones and so on, it's moving to now cloud storage. We can expect to see a much bigger competition coming from Sia coin to companies like Dropbox and so on. So Sia coin does have real-time use. In the next few years, I do expect to see the price for Sia coin raise. Now, we're not going to see it rise to $1 million or what we're seeing with Dogecoin, or to what we're seeing with Ethereum. But in the next few years, it's possible that we may see it worth where Ripple is at 42 cents, or we could see it at where Cardano is. So I'll be looking at Sia coin with the expectation that it will go to that price range. So these are the assets, current crypto assets that I am holding on Kraken. I'm not going to show the ones in the hard wallet or the offline wallet or the Binance or Coinbase. But yeah, as I said before, excuse me, Kraken is a really good site to purchase and store crypto. Alright, so if you're looking for a website that you can view all the cryptocurrencies, and see which crypto is hot at the moment, then you can view CoinMarketCap.com. Really good website. As you can see, Bitcoin here is #1. It shows the price, increase or decrease in the last 24 hours, last week, market cap, volume, circulating supply. So with that, you can calculate how far the crypto may go, and if it has background as well, then you can know that you can know if it will progress to a certain dollar amount or not. As we see, I was looking at Cardano. So Cardano is $1.22 right now. Highest it has been is, I think, $1.47, if I'm not mistaking, and then it's now seeing some type of retracement. So I believe that this will continue to push. So yeah, CoinMarketCap is where I go to view, cryptos that I am interested in, to see, which one to purchase. Another one that I'm looking at right now that I'm going to get into is Tron. However, I am not seeing where Kraken has Tron, so I will actually have to, see where I can get Tron. But Tron looks like something for the future, so that's what I'm looking at. Alright, so quickly over to Doge chart. Now, as I said before, I am not deleting anything off the chart. The chart will stay as is, so we can always have reference points. I did say I'm not expecting this area to be broken, and if it is broken, I would be really surprised. If it's broken and price stays below, I'd be really surprised. So as we can see, price has been consolidating in the mid 4 cent area, mid 4 cent up to the 5 cent area. Price has been consolidating here. I haven't seen any big push or real movement within this area. Not bad news for me. Now, the issue we've had so far with Dogecoin is that while, as I said before, while other cryptocurrencies were made with other functions in mind, Dogecoin was just made to be a meme. Now, that is something that has people skeptical, and that's the reason why a lot of people haven't been, getting into it all in, or they've just been pump and dumping. So when the price goes up, they sell, and they buy when the price drops, and so on. Excuse me. But consumers, and by consumers I mean us, we've been trying to get Doge to be a spending crypto, right? It would be like, just like fiat. You'd get up, you'd go to the corner store, you dip in your wallet, you take some fiat out, whether it be USD or GBP, and you'd purchase something, or Canadian dollars or whatever, you'd purchase something. So they're trying to get Doge to that point where if you go to the corner store and say your total comes up, boom, you pay by Doge. So that is what a lot of people are trying to get Doge to do, and it's not far-fetched. Once companies see the demand for something, they're going to push for it to actually supply, because once it is supplied, the supplier will make profit. So once they see where profit can be made from this, I'm sure something good is going to come from this. I do expect Doge price to actually, I don't expect it to die and just dive and just die. I don't expect that. There has been just too much hype around it right now for it to just fall to nothing. It's going to be a staple. It's not going to shoot to $1 in a day or a month, or maybe even this year. But definitely those are dollar areas where it can go. Alright, so I'm going to cut the video here. I rambled on for about 12 minutes now, so I'm going to cut the video here. Thanks for watching. You can leave your thoughts in the comments below. Have a good one.